In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to split a body in Fusion 360 using the most efficient methods available. Whether you are designing complex mechanical parts or organic 3D models, knowing how to divide your geometry is a fundamental skill that will help you manage your design workflow better. This method is perfect if you have a single large component that needs to be separated into distinct parts for manufacturing, 3D printing, or simply for better organizing your project browser. If this video helps you out with your project today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more CAD tutorials. Alright, let's get started with the process. The first thing we need to do before we can actually split anything is to create a splitting object. Fusion 360 requires a reference to know where the cut should occur. You can use several different types of geometry for this, such as a construction plane, a flat face of another body, or even a sketch surface or line that intersects your target object. For our primary example, let's create a standard box first so you have something to work with. Once your box is ready, go to the Construct menu and select Offset Plane. Choose one of the origin planes and drag it so that it passes directly through the middle of your box. This plane will act as our virtual saw blade. Now that we have our splitting tool ready, it is time to open the Split Body tool. Navigate your cursor up to the top toolbar, go to the Modify menu, and find the Split Body command. Once you click it, a dialog box will appear on the right side of your screen. The first selection the tool asks for is the body to split. Click directly on the box we created earlier. You will see it highlighted in blue. Next, move your cursor to the dialog box and click on the selection toggle for the splitting tool. Now, select that offset plane we created a moment ago. One helpful tip here is that if your plane is smaller than the object, you can check the Extend Splitting toolbox in the menu to ensure the cut goes all the way through. Everything looks good, so go ahead and click OK. Immediately, you will notice that in your browser on the left, you now have two separate bodies instead of one. You can now hide, move, or modify these independently. To give you another quick example of how versatile this is, imagine you have a finished sketch on one of your faces. You can use that sketch line as your splitting tool just as easily as we use the plane. This allows for very complex, curved cuts that follow your specific design requirements. Mastering this tool is essential for advanced modeling because it prevents you from having to draw multiple separate parts from scratch when you can just model one large shape and divide it precisely where you need to. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to split a body in Fusion 360 using splitting objects and the Modify menu. If this video helps you understand the workflow better, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.